How many floors we got in this building?
We have five floors.
This is the view that you want.
There will be another swimming pool there.
There will be another swimming pool right here.
Yeah.
All right. They were kind enough to let me do my video before I leave Alanya. So people love the weather in here, obviously. These two are the same complex, Block A and Block B that we're in right now. And they're sharing all the activity centers. Man, you can't beat this view. That's it. I mean, there's only so many places in the world that they can give you this kind of amazing view. Also, this neighborhood has a lot of villas, as you guys can see over there. There are villas. All right, we're at the highest floor,
Highest floor.
which is 5th. How many floors we got in this building?
We have five floors.
Total
And
of-
fifth. We are in the 5th floor now.
Okay, perfect. This is pretty much a penthouse duplex.
Yeah.
All right. So obviously they're still building around here, and for the other blocks, as you guys can see, there's gonna be a little bit of noise because they're just working with all the machines. But once they're done, that's it. You're not gonna hear a bit. Okay, so let's have a little tour of this wonderful place. First of all, as you guys can see, from each one of your windows, you have the sea view. All right, let me just go a little bit further. Right, this is your sea view, and the window is dirty because obviously they're not done in this particular unit yet, as you guys can see. But I just came here to make sure you guys get an understanding of what we have in here. Let's go to balcony or balcony. So they call it balcony. Okay, so this is the view. All right.
From the roof stage, it is better. From the roof stage,
Oh,
it
you
is
have-
better. You have better view.
All right.
From the
Do we
roof.
have access to that?
Yeah. Duplex, 2+1 duplex. We cannot.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. All right, so they're building. All of these are the same company. These two blocks are previous project. They're separate, but they're building another 3 blocks right next door because they were very successful in these two. Obviously, it's not their first time building, but in this neighborhood, they finished this one complex with 2 blocks, and then the neighboring complex is also their project with 3 blocks. Amazing sea view, and this is the view that you want.
There will be another swimming pool there.
There will be another swimming pool right here.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. And
And there will be park by
right here will be
this
park.
building, yeah.
All right, awesome.
It is the park area in the left.
Perfect. Look at the view, beautiful. All right, let's go. So here's another angle of view, and that was the entrance. Here's the kitchen, and let's go upstairs. Oh, by the way, we have half a bath right here, just a restroom. All right, so let's go upstairs. Obviously, they're still doing their final touches. Don't mind the dirtiness. They were kind enough to let me do my video before I leave Alanya. All right, so let's just start from outside because that's where everything is happening, right? So people love the weather in here, obviously, and they're saying that mainly people live in their balcony here. Balcony is basically the most important part of the house when you're in a place like Alanya with this kind of amazing weather and amazing view. So I'm gonna go a little bit further down so you can see that right there is Cleopatra Castle with over 800 years of age. And if you go to my previous videos, I have a full video of that castle. It's like a little town on top of that wonderful hill. And obviously you can go wrong with this Mediterranean Sea. Alright, so let me backtrack a little bit with wider angle so you guys can see. So this balcony actually goes around L-shape, and this is the full view of your yard and your swimming pool. These two are the same complex, block A and block B that we're in right now, and they're sharing all the activity centers. And then here it flows in to the other side of the master bedroom. So we're currently at the master bedroom, as you guys can see, and it's already pre-wired for all these LED lights, and also we have all the rails ready for curtains. And let's go here and take a look at the bathroom. Beautiful. Wow. Awesome. All right. So let's go to the other bedroom really quick. It's right here. This can be utilized as a kids' room. So you guys can see the style is still continued right here. Beautiful. They already pre-wire everything for all the splits and AC units. Man, you can't beat this view. That's it. I mean, there's only so many places in the world that they can give you this kind of amazing view. Also, this neighborhood has a lot of villas, as you guys can see over there. There are villas in front. On the other side, there's a lot of villas. Those are villas. This is unfinished villa that they're working on, finalizing it. And the view is spectacular because the property is already located on the hill, and even in front of it, as you can see, there's already existing 5-story building. And in this neighborhood, Oba, they can't build more than 5-story anyway. So that's the cap. So you have uninterrupted view, and that's it. If you guys have any question or concern, just give us a call. Don't forget to follow my social medias, and especially the YouTube channel. It's going to be filled with amazing, informative videos about Alanya and all the neighboring city. We are already going to open up a new playlist for Qazi Pasha, and there's a lot of videos for amazing projects there. Amazing opportunity for investment in that wonderful city because it has an international airport and much more. I don't want to make this video 2 hours long video, but if you guys have any question, DM me. I would love to answer it all. Talk to you guys soon.